Now, BJP MP Varun Gandhi has filed an RTI application against politicians holding Swiss bank accounts. The BJP MP has demanded the names of the rich and powerful holding secret Swiss bank accounts.
The Honourable Finance Minister came out with a list of 700 Indians who had illegal funds stashed in the HSBC branch of Geneva. As a citizen and as a member of parliament, as a young person, I automatically thought that this list would be transparently transmitted to us. It was not. Since then, we found out that 300 crores has been levied as so-called tax on these tax evaders and taken. Now, my question is very simple. My question is that as Indians, are we to understand that if you're a billionaire who's got $1 billion stashed abroad, that you can pay, 100 crores as levy and get away with anything?
So what are the questions that your RTI application has posed?
See, the biggest question, of course, the questions are procedural in nature, but the moot point behind the question is that a man who steals 1,000 rupees in the country spends a year in jail, and a man who steals 1,000 crores, gets away with it by paying tax. My question is, number one, who are the powerful people? Obviously, a middle-class person will not have a bank account in Geneva. So who are the list of 700 people? Number one. Number two, I believe that amongst them are 3 members of parliament. So who are these members of parliament? After all, members of parliament need to hold themselves to a higher standard.
But the Central Board of Direct Taxes has actually denied,
No, they have not denied it.
Yes.
They have not denied it. They've only said we have not sent a summons. Okay, which is not at all a denial. It's just wordplay. All they've said is that we have not sent a summons. Now, I'm not interested in whether they've sent a summons or not sent a summons. I'm interested in the list, and I'm interested in which people are members of parliament involved in that list. And, I want to know...
And who do you think are those? Do you have any guesses, and do you think which party do they belong to?
Look, I don't want to hazard a guess and play with people's reputation. I think let things happen procedurally, and let's get to the bottom of it.
NDTV's Cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.